Dr. Evan Chait, Kinetic Rehab and Spine. Welcome to our channel. Click the link below to subscribe, share, and like our videos. Join today, join the movement, gain access to insiders' education on how you become a better you. Welcome to your destination of health and wellness. All the best. Sempre Levante. Always forward. Hi, Dr. Evan Chait here from Kinetic Rehab and Spine. I want to teach you how to use the Hypervolt on your adductor, which is in through here. So if you have a groin strain or if you have hip pain, this will also be very helpful for you as well. So first, turn it on. There's an on button at the bottom, and then there's the power. There's 3 different speeds. We're going to start off with speed number 1. Now from here, we could easily just move into this area and through here. But what I want to do is add movement with this. So I'm going to spread my legs out a little bit, and I'm just going to lunge this way. And as I'm lunging this way, I'm applying more of a pressure going upwards towards my heart, and then I'm releasing just a little bit. I'm adding pressure going up, and now I'm going to add a little bit more of a rotation so we get different fibers of the adductor. Perfect. Perfect. So it's a simple, easy exercise you could do. Spend about a minute or 2 minutes doing this at home on yourself. Self-treatment is phenomenal. This is a very cost-effective tool you could use at home. If you want to learn more about what we do at Kinetic Rehab and Spine, hit like, hit share, as well as subscribe. Thank you very much. Sempre Levante.